Even though I thought it looked good, this looks better. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by Ashimaryhair. They sent me this news to try for you guys. Now, before I get into this very detailed install, get your pen and paper right now because your wigs are not looking like mine and I'm sick of it. Listen, I'm here to help because out the pack you made for the back. So I want you to understand what you gotta do to get your wig like this. It's a 360 wig. None of my hair is out. That might be my hair. I'm not really sure. I think, yeah, that's me. But y'all see the blend with the wig and me? I just used the Invisor strap for this wig and I had to put a little glue right here because my head is big. Basically glueless. But before I get into all this, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Like I said, this unit comes to us from Ashimaryhair. All the specs for my unit as well as the products that I'm using in this video will be listed down below in my description box. So if you want to check any of it out, you can. This is what my wig is looking like right now. And before your fingers get to working, understand that I did wash, blow dry, and press my wig. That is the first 3 steps of getting your wig to look like mine. And that will take some time because this wig does come with a smell. So you will want to wash your wig. However, if you don't have time and you're in a rush, y'all know what to do. Get your little spritz in. Where my spray at? Whether it's your hair perfume, your dry shampoo, whatever smell good you have. You're gonna spray your wig down with some water and then top it with your smell good and then go in and blow dry the hair. That's only if you're in a rush. Got some time? Wash your wig. Washing your wig will take that initial film off the hair. You can see it looks a lot better with the wash. My wig does come with the removable combs on the side and in the back. I'm going to take the ones on the side off. I'm a little iffy about the placement of the elastic band because it's sort of at an angle. Normally the elastic band goes in line with the lace. We're going to see how it fits on my head once I put it on. It may just be because of it being a 360. It's just 360 lace around the head, meaning there's lace all the way around the cap. So you get 4 inches in the middle and then about 3 inches as you get closer to the sides. This is the Invisor strap unit. So you get those silicone straps around the nape area to tighten your wig down for a more glueless fit. We'll see how that works on me. Y'all know my head is big every day. Most times these type of wigs, when they come in one size, don't really work for me. I have to use bobby pins to kind of secure mine down. So we'll see. I bought some new caps and I don't know where they are. This tag does give you some hair care instructions. I already cared for my wig, so I can cut that off. If you don't plan on keeping your wig, don't cut that tag off. Let me get my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder, any color milk chocolate. And I'm going to tint my lace, tint around the edge. My unit did come pre-cut, as you can see. However, you can choose not to do that. Most times when it's a 360 wig or a frontal unit, like a 13x6, 13x4, I like to cut the wig myself just because not everybody's hairline and head shape is the same. And sometimes when they pre-cut it in a standard way. Now let's put it on. It's going to be a little short. I'm going to have to move my hairline back. Keep pulling down. I'm going to have to kind of finagle this in the back. That newborn hairline is very newborn. But y'all see what I mean about the hairline? Like it's cut pretty much like a square. Hopefully I can use the hairs that are on this wig to kind of close that up a bit because it's very peasy looking. When it comes to the hair texture, if you've tried a super high quality kinky straight, this style of kinky straight is a lot less dense. It's a lot more silkier. It's easier to handle. It's a little bit more breathable, and it's lightweight. This is only their 180, I believe. This wig also comes in a 250. Clearly, we got to get my hairline together. So I'm going to take my Nairobi mousse and I'm going to put it all around the hairline. Tap it, tap it, tap it, like so. Get an edge brush. They did send me one, but I'm going to use one that I already have. I'm going to brush back the hairs and then bring down what I can use. You're just using the mousse and the brush. So hold it, brush back, brush down. As you brush down and brush back, you'll see the hairs that you want to leave out. Is that my hair or the wig? Oh, that's me. It was kind of blending. Do the same thing on this side. Brush down. I want the temples to be a little bit more forward. This is giving me a natural edge type of look, like I'm in need of a root touch-up, which I feel like looks a lot more natural than a fresh perm, sleek edge type of look. And I cannot see what I'm doing right now because I don't have my glasses on. So I'm gonna tighten down what I can. Tighten down this one, tighten down that. Tuck it back up under there. Lock it down with the second one. I feel that tightness around my ear, so that's good. I'll work with what we got. A little bit more mousse to get this situated. Bring that back, bring that down. They sent me an elastic band. Put it on my ear and wrap it down. I did go in and trim my ends and kind of layer, not a deep layer, but kind of like cut it at an angle right here in the front. I haven't gotten a lot of shedding with the hair, so that's pretty good. Have my flat iron on 430. Slight little bump. This part will take no time at all. I get too many comments on every video about how your wig didn't look like mine outside of brand error. It's not going to. You gotta do some work to these wigs. Twist and twist and twist. Wig styling is just like hair styling. If you want your natural hair to look a certain way, you have to style it. Curling it real tight on the end. Hard bump. Bring it to the back. Let's unwrap it and see what the hairline is looking like. I'm gonna get my brush and I'm gonna get my Eco Styler. The hair is really soft, so that's good. But I want more of like a wet look just to make sure the edges are gonna be, you know, kind of how I want them. So I'm gonna take some of my Eco Styler. I'm gonna place it on the hairline like so. So I used the mousse to mold the hairs, and now I'm using the Eco Styler gel to get them to pretty much stay. See that? I feel like that's me. Is that me? No, it's not. This is me. Okay. So that's kind of the wig and me. Okay. I can't see nothing that I'm doing right now. I'm going by feel, child. Let me do this side and then I'll put my glasses back on. Brush it down. Keep on brushing. Let me put my glasses back on so I can see what I'm doing. I think I'm gonna do a side part. Take my blow dryer and flatten this out on warm. Fix my little edges right here. Keep moving them around. Moving it around, pushing it down. I want to take out a little bit of hair right here in the front, just to open this up. Pluck it out a little bit, just like that. It took out that much. This is supposed to be a glueless look. However, my head is big, so I need to make this work for me. I'm gonna spray it down right here in the front. I'm gonna use my lace spray to do that. Right here in the front, that's it. Blow dry it on cool. Keep adding your gel, and then you can blow dry the gel stiff so it doesn't, you know, fly up too much. Bring this back, bring this down. Again, I want the hairline to kind of be, you know, have some movement to it. Keep messing with it until it's how you want it. Make sure you keep blow drying the top to get it as flat as you need it to be. Any curls that I need to fix? Fix it up. Let me use a little bit of my foundation on the top here, a dab. Whether it's your foundation or your concealer, you need to make sure your lace is blendable to your forehead, the front part of your lace. The scalp part can be a little bit lighter because your natural scalp is always lighter than your, your forehead anyway. Blend that in. I don't need to use my contour color because the lace is not too ashy. That foundation color will work just fine. Hold my curls as much as I can. Where am I spraying? Uh-oh. There we go. Just using my Tresemme Extra Hold Hairspray. Use the milk chocolate powder again on a pretty flat brush. And just blending this part to the back because the front is pretty much looking good. Okay, cute. Okay, y'all, so here's the final look. Did we get her together? Drop a comment right now and let me know. I think we did. If you follow these steps, you should be able to get your wig like this. Let me be clear, with practice, okay? Out the gate, it may be a little overwhelming. Just go back and watch some of my older videos of me trying out the kinky edge hairline for the first time. Even though I thought it looked good, this looks better. The hair looks a lot better now that I've washed and pressed her. This is not what I consider to be a high quality texture. However, they do give you a lot of high quality specs. It pretty much comes pre-plucked. However, I did do a little bit right here. That's it. The rest of that is how it came out the pack. You do get the bleach knots on your wig. They are pretty tiny. All I did was use makeup powder on my lace. So, that's pretty good. They are definitely given 20 inches like each strand. Thank you, Ashmarie. If your head is small enough, you can wear glueless. However, y'all know my head is big, okay? Every day, gang, gang. So I had to spray mine down right here in the front just to make sure it wasn't gonna keep sliding back. All right, let's see if we can do an up style with this. Okay, can I do a ponytail? Let's kind of blend this in. I gotta tuck my hair up like that. Let me just try to do like a simple claw clip. Bring out some hair in the back, kind of cover my nape, kind of clip it up like so. Kind of like a messy claw clip look, I guess. I don't know how that looks over there. Hopefully it looks decent. Same with the back. Decent. Add a little bit of gel right here. Brush that down, brush that down. Bring out some of the pieces like that. Want it to be messy. And there we have an up style. Okay, let me scoot down a little bit. That Invisor strap is holding me down in the back, so, thank you. I love a messy type of look. It just looks more natural to me. If you're going for like a very neat look, you're gonna have to make sure every single hair is in place. So having the ponytail or the claw clip messy allows me to have my sides messy, if that makes sense. And don't start lying about how you know it's a wig because of my baby hair. No, you don't. Where is the lace over there? I mean, we can see it right here, but can you see it right here where the baby hair is? Exactly. Shout out one more time to Ashimaryhair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.